what a wonderful world.
Welcome to my another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys some of the pocket friendly perfumes for women. Yeah, without waiting for anything, let's get into the video. So the first perfume that I have to show you guys is the perfume by Fog. It retails for 199 rupees, but the fragrance is very good and long lasting. Earlier when you apply it, it have a very strong fragrance, but after 2 to 3 minutes it gives really very good and light fragrance that most of you will definitely like, and I too like this perfume, and I will surely recommend you guys this perfume, and you should definitely try this out. Another perfume that I'm gonna recommend for you is this Passion Flower from Havoc's collection. This one retails for 500 rupees, but the smell is so good. Some of the perfume have very strong fragrance that I don't like in them, but this one is just amazing. You should definitely try this out. Another perfume that I have to show you guys is this awesome body mist. This one retails for 225, but the fragrance is so good and so amazing that I just love this. You should absolutely try this perfume as well. Another perfume that I have to show you guys is this Engage perfume. This one is the perfume that I wear on the daily basis, and I have one more flavor in this, and this one is for rupees 190 both, and the perfume is just amazing. Both the perfumes are good, and this is amazing for daily wear purpose, because these are so budget friendly, and also the fragrance is so good and so amazing. So I will definitely recommend you guys these Engaged perfumes, and this is so amazing, so don't forget to try it out. Another perfume that I'm gonna recommend for you guys is this Ramson's You Are Lovely, and this one retails for 145 rupees, and trust me, this one is my favorite perfume, and it lasts for at least 24 hours, more than 24 hours. Like after washing my clothes also, I can feel the fragrance in it. It is just amazing, and this one is so good, and you can see how cute the bottle is. Trust me, you buy any other perfume or not, must try this. This one is amazing. You're gonna love it for sure. Last perfume that I will share with you guys is the perfume that I wear during parties and all. This one is just so amazing. This is by Neuroma, and Infinity Neuroma by Parfums, and this one is so good. You must try this. This perfume retails for 525 rupees, and this one is just killing. There's some perfumes that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to comment down below in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, The Spotlight. All the links will be given in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out, and see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you.